Overwhelmed by broker choices in Italy or worried you're not protected enough? We tested and ranked the top 5 brokers for Italian traders so you can trade smarter and safer. Hey, I'm Andy Roberts from FXEmpire.com. For over 13 years, we've been helping traders make better broker choices. Each year, our team tests more than 80 forex brokers using our proven evaluation method so you can find the best one for your trading style. But before we jump into the list, let's quickly cover the important things you need to know when choosing a broker in Italy. And hey, if you're here just for the broker recommendations, no worries, feel free to skip ahead using the chapters feature below. If a broker wants to operate in Italy, they need a license from CONSOB, that's the country's financial regulator, or another authority within the European Economic Area. That means they fall under MiFID II, a strict European regulation that keeps trading safer and more transparent across Europe. So what does that mean for you? Your money is kept in a separate account, so the broker can't use it for their own business. It stays safe and available. You're covered by negative balance protection. Your account can't go below zero even during extreme market moves. Leverage is limited to 1 to 30 for retail traders, which helps newer traders avoid taking on too much risk. And if the broker ever does go bust, you can get up to 20,000 euros back through a compensation scheme. In short, regulated brokers have to play by the rules, and that gives you peace of mind. But not all of these brokers are the same. Regulations are just the baseline. You also want to compare things such as spreads, platforms, tools, and other features, and that is exactly what we've done for you in this video. So how do we pick the top 5 brokers in Italy? First, we made sure each one is fully licensed and regulated either by Italy's CONSOB or another trusted European authority. We also looked for brokers that feel local, with Italian language websites, customer support platforms, and the option to use the euro as your base currency. To help you keep more of your profits, we dug into each broker's fees and trading costs, comparing them to industry averages. We also tested every platform to see how it performs in real life, checking for ease of use, helpful features, and how well it suits different trading styles. And finally, we reviewed the full package, from customer support and payment options to available instruments, research tools, and education to make sure you're getting a complete and reliable trading experience. So, ready to see who made the list? Let's start with Active Trades, our top pick for forex and CFD trading in Italy. It combines trusted regulation, low cost, and a powerful set of trading tools. Founded in 2001 and based in the UK, Active Trades operates in Italy through its European regulated entity in Portugal, which is also registered with CONSOB. That means full compliance with European standards and extra peace of mind for Italian traders. You also get the full local experience with an Italian language website, customer support, and platforms. Active Trades gives you access to over 1,100 instruments, including 52 share CFDs from Italian companies, great for those who want local exposure. And when it comes to platforms, Active Trades gives you plenty of choice: MT4, MT5, TradingView, and their custom Active Trader platform. We were especially impressed by Active Trader. It packs over 200 analytical tools, customizable charts, and smart features like progressive trailing stop and pullback entries for more precise execution. Trading costs are also worth noting. Active Trades offers a single account type with no commissions. In our tests, the spreads on Euro USD averaged around 0.75 pips, better than the industry average of 1.08. Share CFD spreads were also competitive compared to many other brokers we reviewed. Execution speed is another strong point. It averaged just 4 milliseconds during our tests. All in all, Active Trades offers solutions that suit all trading styles, providing a premium experience for Italian users. Next on our list is FX Pro, our top choice in Italy for traders who want a high-quality mobile experience. Founded in London in 1999, FX Pro serves Italian clients through its European regulated entity in Cyprus, licensed by CySec. They also provide a localized website and Italian-speaking customer support. FX Pro gives you access to over 2,100 tradable instruments, including 352 share CFDs from European companies. What really makes FX Pro stand out is its all-in-one mobile app. It's designed to work well for both beginners and experienced traders. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly with over 150 charting tools and indicators, plus strong security features like two-factor authentication. You can manage your account, set real-time alerts, create a custom watch list, and place market, limit, or stop orders all in one place. The app also includes TradingView charts, giving you clean, flexible charting with the option to place trades directly from the chart. Plus, it comes with a built-in economic calendar and frequent market updates, helpful tools for staying on top of major events. Beyond the mobile app, FX Pro supports multiple platforms, including its own own FX Pro trading platform, MT4, MT5, and C Trader. Execution speed is solid too, averaging under 12 milliseconds in our tests. Overall, FX Pro delivers an excellent trading experience, especially if you value powerful tools in a mobile-first setup. By the way, if you want to explore any of these brokers yourself, check the description below or click the link in the top right-hand corner for the best offers in your region. If you're a professional trader in Italy, FP Market stands out as a top choice thanks to its strong trading infrastructure, advanced tools, and broad selection of tradable instruments. Founded in 2005 and headquartered in Australia, FP Market serves Italian clients through its CySEC-regulated entity in Cyprus. The broker provides localized support, a dedicated website, and MetaTrader platforms available in Italian. Professional traders get access to a wide range of markets, including forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, share CFDs, ETFs, and indices. FP Markets also stands out for its broad platform selection, with MT4, MT5, C Trader, and TradingView all available. That flexibility is a big advantage for pros who rely on specific tools, features, or trading styles. The broker also offers free VPS hosting for traders who meet certain volume requirements, which helps ensure low latency execution for automated strategies. For MetaTrader users, the Trader's Toolbox adds even more functionality, with advanced charting and analytics tools tailored for professional use. In terms of fees, FP Markets is highly competitive. We tested the standard CFD account with zero commission and found spreads to be lower than average across most asset classes. Only spreads on major forex pairs and gold came in slightly above the industry average. FP Markets also provides access to the IRES platform, offering direct market access to over 10,000 share CFDs. Plus, if you qualify as a professional client, you can trade with up to 1 to 500 leverage and lower margin requirements. Just keep in mind you won't get the same protection as retail accounts. Overall, FP Markets gives professional traders in Italy a flexible and well-rounded setup that adapts to a variety of trading styles. If you're looking for a broker in Italy with one of the best trading platforms, Plus 500 is a strong option to consider. Founded in 2009, Plus 500 is publicly listed on the London Stock Exchange, a sign of strong transparency and trust. It's a well-regulated broker that offers a secure trading environment for Italian clients. In Italy, it operates through its CySEC-regulated entity in Cyprus, which is also registered with Consob. The platform that sets Plus 500 apart is its proprietary web trader. It's designed with a clean, intuitive interface that works well for both casual and experienced traders. You'll find access to over 2,800 tradable instruments, including 31 Italian share CFDs and the local index. The platform is fully localized in Italian, and customer support is available in Italian as well. One of the platform's highlights is its high-definition scalable charting, paired with over 150 technical tools, including indicators, drawing tools, and customizable chart types. It supports all major order types and features the Plus Insights tool, which offers real-time sentiment analysis to help you stay on top of market trends. Plus 500 also stands out for its quality research and education. The Plus 500 Trading Academy includes videos, articles, and webinars hosted by independent analysts and trading experts. Overall, Plus 500 delivers a streamlined trading experience with a platform that's intuitive but also rich in features, especially well-suited for Italian traders who want a powerful all-in-one solution. INFX stands out as the best broker in Italy for research content, offering a strong mix of in-house analysis and third-party insights. Founded in 2010 and based in Cyprus, INFX is regulated by CySEC, which ensures the broker follows European rules and provides a secure trading setup. While the website isn't fully localized, the MetaTrader 4 platform and customer support are both available in Italian. The broker gives access to over 300 instruments across major asset classes, including forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, futures, and share CFDs. What really sets INFX apart is the quality of its research. Traders get daily market breakdowns, technical and fundamental analysis, and curated trading ideas. On top of that, INFX integrates content from Trading Central, adding sentiment tools and strategy signals that can help guide your decisions. INFX supports the popular MetaTrader 4 platform and offers free VPS hosting for low latency trading, ideal for automated strategies. It's also one of the few brokers that lets you choose between fixed and floating spreads. And if you're trading crypto, INFX has some unique perks like low Bitcoin US dollar spreads and the option to use Bitcoin as a base currency, and support for digital currency payments. All in all, if you're an Italian trader who values solid market insights, INFX has one of the strongest research offerings out there. And there you have it, the top 5 brokers in Italy. Ready to get started? Click the link in the corner or in the description for exclusive offers from these brokers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. Oh, and before you go, check out this video. YouTube thinks you'll find it interesting. I'll see you there.